Hey guys, it's Mr. Nesloni, and I know I start out every video with hey guys, so Tyler, I did that again for you. I'm trying something different this time. I'm going to see if I can have a little video within the video. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll see if I'll do this again. But today we're going to talk about multiplication. So what I need you to do is you need a piece of scratch paper to do this today. So I need you to pause the video and get a piece of scratch paper right now so that you're ready to go. Whenever you're ready, just press play again. Okay, here we go. So multiplication. When you were in third grade, your multiplication looked like this. It was very basic. It was things like 9 times 3 is 27. That was third grade math. When you were in fourth grade, we got things a little bit more complicated. We did things like 12 times 14. And when doing that, here's the way we did that multiplication. We always started with the ones place value first. So we're looking right here at the 4. And we have to multiply that 4 by everything on top. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. I've multiplied that 4 by everything on top. So I mark it out to get rid of it. And I put a 0 down at the bottom to say that I have no more 1s left. And I'm moving over to this tens place value. With the tens, I have 1 times 2, because I got to start doing it again, and 1 times 1 is 1. We know that multiplication is repeated addition, so we know to add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So our product was 168. Now, when we move to fifth grade, things don't change very much. They actually stay a lot the same. We do 2-digit times 2-digit in fifth grade. But the other thing that we also do is we also do 2-digit times 3-digit. So let's look at how that changed. So let's do 325 times 42. All we did was we added another digit to the top of our multiplication problem. So we still start with the ones place value, just like we did with the fourth grade problem. And 5 times 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I multiplied this 2 by everything on top. So I'm done with it. So I get rid of it. Now that I've gotten rid of it, there is no more 1s in the bottom number. So I put a 0 down here to tell me there is no more 1s. I'm done. And I am moving over to the tens place value. I still have to go back and multiply it by that 5, but I'm moving over to the tens now. And if you look at our math, all of these numbers are now lined up, because we talked about how important it is to line numbers up. So then I do 4 times 5, which is 20. Drop my 0, carry my 2. We do 4 times 2, which is 8, plus the 2 more is 10. Drop my 0, carry my 1. And then I do 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 1 is 13. Remember that multiplication is just repeated addition, so I put my plus sign. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus nothing, and 1 plus nothing. So my product, because remember, product is the answer to a multiplication problem, is 13,650. Now, the reason I told you to get a piece of paper is because I'm going to give you a problem now that I want you to do. And I want you to write this problem down. So write down 421 times 36. And I want you to pause the video and go ahead and solve it. And when you're done solving it, press play on the video again, and we'll walk through it together. OK, here we go. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 times 2, let me start over again. we're starting with this ones. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12, so I drop my 2 and carry my 1. And 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 1 is 25. I multiplied that 6 by everything on top, so I'm done with that 6. Now that I finished that 6, there's no more 1s left, so I put a 0 underneath to tell me there's no more 1s and that I'm moving over to the tens place value, which is where the 3 is. But I still got to start back with this first number. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 4 is 12. Multiplication is just repeated addition. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry my 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus that other 1 is 5. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So my product is 15,156. And that